Hi Dad, good morning.
morning. Happy birthday.
Birthday. Hindi na kami naka-message kaninang daling araw kasi antok na kami. So, ngayon, meron kaming surprise sa'yo. This morning. Wait lang, batiin mo na si Daddy mo.
Happy birthday, Daddy. Love you.
Ganun lang.
Thank you for everything. Sorry po kung hindi ka namin nabigyan ng regalo ng mas maaga po.
Surprise yung regalo. Mamaya sabotin. Ako din, happy birthday Dad. Thank you so much for providing, for loving us. Lalo na sa amin. Kay Solana, kay Amari, sa akin. And sana ngayong 40, you feel fulfilled and ano ba? Kumbaga, mamaya, letter ko na lang.
Ina-letter ko na nga lang din sa akin.
For now, meron kami surprise sa'yo. Okay? Tignan. Wala pa kami toothbrush. Ano? Sunshine. Sunshine. Make us happy. Hindi ko makita yung lyrics. The sun's so how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. The other night, dear, as I lay sleeping, I dreamed I held you in my arms. When I was mistaken, so I held my hand and cried. You are our sunshine, our only sunshine. You make us happy when skies are gray. You never knew, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take our sunshine away. Ayun lang, ang kaya namin. Happy birthday, Dad. I love you. Mamaya may surprise pa kami sa'yo. Diba? May surprise na tayo. Love you, Dad. Bye-bye. Love you.
Love you, Daddy.